Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to make an application that plays some MP3s from an online location. So it's gonna look something like this, with some basic controls and also a volume control. I don't know if you can hear the music, but I can. But before we jump into the coding, let me let you know about some things, some secret videos. This is his log here about how to make money with Android, and also a secret video with some tips and tricks for how to publish, how to get ratings, etc. So to access those videos, you need to be friend with me on Facebook. So go ahead and add me as your friend, and also read the description of this video. And that being said, let's jump into the coding. So I've got a simple application. I go ahead and created. I've gone ahead and created some simple controls. So just some simple image buttons and a seek bar for volume control. And in the manifest, remember to add permission for internet, also wave lock, and to modify the min SDK version to 7. So let's go ahead and use these controls. So we're gonna use the MediaPlayer class. So if you go to Google and type MediaPlayer, the first result will get you to the MediaPlayer class, which is quite a large class and complex. But if you click this link, Media Playback Guide, it takes you step by step with all you need to play songs, and we can just use this. So here is a code for playing a URL via HTTP streaming. Let's just copy paste this into our application, and I've put it in a string array some MP3s. I don't own this site, I just found it on Google. So we'll use it as an example. I think these are free songs, but anyway. So we don't need this string here, and actually let's make this media player a field. Okay. We need the set stream type. This. Okay, data source we need, prepare and start. But we must access them when we click the play button, of course. So let's go ahead and code it. And okay, and let's just play the first song for this moment. And if you can notice, it throws an exception, and it tells us we must surround it with try and catch. So also here, let's save it and let's go ahead and test it. And let's see if this works. Yes, it works. It works also if we click the back button. Let's just Okay. Now let's go to really quick the pause button. So for the pause, you only need to call a function. And so you only need to do stop pause. Okay. And let's work also on the previous and next buttons. So let's declare them. And we got to keep track of what songs plays. So to do that, I'm gonna use a counter. So let's also declare a counter here. We initialize it with 0. And when its next counter and when its prev counter gets decreased by 1. But there's a problem. What if we go past this? So we have to write some protection. Okay, so counter. So this is the next is larger than songs are 9. Actually, if it's less than counter. Okay. Let's put a toast. I guess this is annoying. Just don't show anything. But for this purposes, so it must be larger than 0. Okay. Okay. And if this is the case, we want to just go ahead and play the next song. So we have to reset the media player. Release or reset. No, reset. Release is something. Okay, so if you read the reset, we need to set data source and call prepare again. So let's just do that. Yeah. And also do this on our previous button. And we also want to change this song title. So okay, and also here, and also on play. And let's test it. Okay, so plays, okay, the play button, and also the this doesn't work. Why is that? Well, I put it here song 0 of counter. Sorry about that. Okay. Now it should work, and until it finishes loading, we have to see how we can get the volume sig bar working. So for the volume sig bar, we're just gonna search Google. It's okay, it works. So you don't have to learn it by heart. It's stupid to learn by heart all this stuff. Sig bar volume. So just search Android sig bar volume, and here this android.blogspot was kind enough to show us some code here. So we'll need an audio manager. Okay, and we'll need to set the min and max and current volume on the sig bar. So let's go ahead and get those volumes. Okay, I've got the sig bar volume, so let's initialize the sig bar with a set max and set progress with those volumes. And also we have to write on sig bar change listener to code it. So sig volume on sig just like this. On stop tracking touch, on start tracking touch, we are not interested for this moment. Why does it give me an error? Can you believe this? So come on. Okay, and we'll just modify this here. Now there you go. And this should be it. Our very first online player application. Let's check and see if this works. Okay, so as you can see, it works very well. So as a homework for you, so you need to display all these songs in a nice way here. So you can try, as a suggestion, you can try and use no, not this one. Yes, try and think of a nice way to display the songs, and when you click it, it plays. So it will be more like a player. So that being said, I wish you guys happy coding, and remember to add me as a friend and to get access to these secret videos. And also make sure you read the video description for more infos. Thank you and happy coding.